Greetings from AppiWorks. In this video, let us see how to set up and use AppiWorks for Google Forms. Today we will integrate ClickUp with Google Forms. On submission of the form with task details as entered by the user, a task will automatically get created in ClickUp workspace under a selected list, within a specific space. Let us take a sample registration form which can be used by an individual to submit their details. In case AppiWorks is not installed, go to Google Workspace Marketplace and search for AppiWorks. Select AppiWorks and then install. In my case, AppiWorks is already installed. Once the installation is complete, you can find AppiWorks in the list of add-ons. Now click on AppiWorks and then Set Up. In order to create a new service, click on the Create button. You can choose an application of your choice from many apps that are available. Let us choose ClickUp as our application. You can either choose from an existing connection, or you can create a new connection by clicking on the plus icon present on the right side of the connection field. There are two ways to authenticate with ClickUp. One is Auth2 and the other is key authentication, and this time we are choosing the later. In order to obtain the API key, let's go back to our ClickUp dashboard and click on our avatar in the lower left corner and select Apps. Under API token, we can copy the personal API key. Now paste the API key in the respective input field and click on Connect button. Once the connection is successfully established, we can choose Create Tasks from the list of actions. Now, we have to choose our workspace, followed by space and list respectively from the drop-down lists. Now let us move to the mapping section. While few fields can automatically be mapped, rest can be added manually. Here we are mapping name to task title, description to task description, and due date was automatically mapped in the beginning. Once all the fields are successfully mapped as per the form requirement, now let us move to the notification section by clicking on the Add button. You can get notified on every successful submission of form via Amazon SES, SMTP, Google Chat, or other communication applications that are available in the list. Let us choose SMTP here. We can either choose from an existing connection, or you can create a new connection by clicking on the plus icon present on the right side of the connection field. Now provide all the required credentials in order to establish the connection. Finally, click on Connect button. Once the connection is successfully established, now provide the recipient mail and set up the subject and text of the mail to be sent on successful submission of the Google form as shown here. Once the notification is properly configured, let's click on Add button and finally save the service. In order to test our form, let us now click on the Preview button. Let's enter some sample information in our form and then click on Submit button. Once the form is successfully submitted, let's check whether we received a notification in our email inbox. Here we can see that we have been notified with the mail as we had configured earlier. We can also see that a new task has been created in ClickUp with the details we entered in the form. Hope you enjoyed the intelligent integration and hyper-automation capability of AppiWorks on Google Forms. Thanks for watching.